Hi everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella. Just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up our body, preparing for this workout, preparing the heart and the muscles for the workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that every time I upload new videos you receive notifications. And this is our ultimate squats workout. We are going to be working on toning and strengthening the lower body. Just continue marching. Make sure you are hydrated for this workout. Make sure you do take a protein within 1 hour after doing this workout. So just continue going, marching, march, feeling your heart rate going up, feeling good about yourself, smiling all the way. March, and we are going to be moving on to the basic squat. Just get into position. We are going to be doing 10 of this. Make sure that your knees don't go past your toes and squat to as low as you can. And we shall begin with 1, 2, keep breathing, pulling in those abs towards the spine. Going. Just give me 1 more. And next you want to go down and we are going to be holding it right there. We are going to be holding this for 30 seconds. This is a hold and it is working on those muscles, guys. Keep holding this right there. I know your muscles are on fire right now. Mine are too as well. Just continue holding it right there, feeling good about yourself. You're doing amazing. Keep going. Don't give up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. And get up. Next, we are getting into the plie. So just get into that position. 10 of these. We shall begin with 1 and 2 abs towards the spine. Keep breathing. More, 1 more, and next we want to get down there and hold this for 30 seconds as well, working out those muscles. I believe you are feeling them tightening up right now, especially the inner thighs, but these muscles as well. And just continue holding right there. Yeah, it's burning, it's killing, I know that. Continue holding, you're doing amazing. And you will keep holding these for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up, round up. And we want to get into lateral jumps with the squat. So you want to squat and jump, squat and jump. We are going to focus on 10 of these. Squat, jump, squat, jump. Squat, jump, squat and jump, squat. Just give me 1 more. Jump, squat, jump, and relax it out. We want to move on to a squat and a punch. So we shall begin squat, get up and punch. Squat, punch, squat, and punch. Going. Keep going. One more per side and the other side. Moving on to a squat with a kick. So you're going to squat and kick, squat and kick. Let's do 10 of these per leg. And kick, squat, kick. Just give me 2 more. Squat and kick. Squat 1 more and kick. And the other leg. You want to squat and kick it out. Squat and kick it out. Yeah, you're doing great. Keep going. squat and kick. One more, squat and kick, and relax it out. We want to do some stretching, doing some hamstrings, resting, gathering our breath, taking a breather, guys. If you like, go catch some water during this break. Otherwise, stretch out those hamstrings. Let your heart rate come down a bit, not down completely. And we are going to be moving on to the next round, and we are going to begin off with jump squats, focusing on 10 of these. So just get into position. We shall squat, jump, squat, jump. Jump it as far as you can, as high as you can go. Jump, squat, and jump, squat, and jump. Two more, squat, jump. One more, squat, and jump, and relax it out. Moving on to squats and knees to chest. We are going to be doing 8 per side. So you want to squat and bring knees to chest, squat, knees to chest, up towards the spine, knees to chest, squat. Give me 2 more, squat, and 1 more, squat, and 1 more, and the other leg. You're going to squat, knees to chest, squat, knees to chest. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Squat. Give me 1 more, squat, knees to chest, and heading on to squat and balance, squat and balance, 8 per leg, and balance. Just give me 2 more, and balance, squat, and balance, and the other leg, squat, balance, squat. You can do as many as you can, or what your body can allow you, really, as far as you can go. Don't push yourself. And balance, squat, and balance. Just give me 2 more, and balance, squat, and balance. Well done. I'm sweating over here. How are you feeling? I hope great. We are going to move on to a squat and side leg kicks. So you are going to squat and kick, squat and kick, squat. Focusing on 10 per leg. You can do as many as you can, or whatever your body allows you to do. Kick it out. Give me 2 more. Kick it out. Squat and kick, and the other leg. Squat and kick, squat and kick, squat and kick. Well done. Squat and kick. Ooh. Squat. Keep going. You're doing great. Squat, squat and kick. Give me 2 more. Squat and kick, and squat and kick, and relax it out. Moving on to the last one, and we are going to get down in a clear squat, and we are going to pulse down there for 30 seconds. Just catch your breath, prepare yourself, and we shall move on right now. So just get down there, and we shall begin pulsing, pulsing and pulsing. My whole lower body is on fire, guys. I feel the burn. I feel the fat crying already from my entire body. Just continue pulsing. Keep going. I know it's burning, guys, but you're almost there. Keep going. Pulse, pulse, pulse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. And bring yourself up slowly. We are going to stretch out, coming to the end of this workout, beginning with the quadriceps stretch with the right leg. Just stretch it out. You can do some elbow wrist rotations while at it, and we are going to be doing this for 20 seconds. Continue pulsing right there. for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the other leg. Stretch it out. These muscles have done such an amazing job for this workout. They really need to get stretched out. Continue stretching it out, abs towards the spine. I feel amazing, guys. I hope you are feeling amazing too. Just let me know how you feel in the comment section below, and just get down. Next, you want to stretch out your legs as wide as you can, and we want to begin moving from side to side, stretching this out for 30 seconds. Just continue moving side to side, feeling that stretch in your legs. Continue going. It feels really amazing to always stretch out, and continue going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to bring yourself up. And next, you want to stretch out your legs, and you want to bring them up, and you want to be holding this right there for another 20 seconds. Pull your abs towards the spine and continue reaching out to as high as you can. Continue going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down slowly, and you want to breathe in and breathe out, and breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout, guys. A high five if you made it this far. Thank you very much for working out with me. And well, that is just about it for today, guys. I'm sweating so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family over here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that every time I upload a new video, you receive notifications. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.